beauty people, welcome back to my channel. Peace and happiness looks really different for everyone. For you, maybe it's being at peace with who you are. Mental calmness and mental peace is something which is more important than anything. So here I am with some short and simple tips to make your mind more calm and peaceful. Number 1, deep breathing. For just one moment, please forget all those reasons which are making you stressed. बस कुछ पलों के लिए just forget everything and sit down and have long and deep breaths. Before you do that, make sure that you have closed your eyes. जब भी हम गहरी सांस लेते हैं, it makes us distracted from those reasons which are really making us low. Take 5 long and deep breaths and just focus on your lungs. This is the quickest and easiest way to make you feel calm down. Number 2, mindfulness. When we are mindful, we are fully present in the moment. जहाँ हमारे पांचों सेंसेस टच, टेस्ट, साइट, हियरिंग एंड स्मेल, ये पांचों सेंसेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा अवेयर हो जाती है. So engage your senses and be mindful. Number 3, love yourself. The more we like ourselves, the more our peace of mind grows. I have already made a video on the topic of self-love. If you guys haven't watched it yet, then please go and watch it. I think you will find it very beneficial. So I will give the link in the description box. Please kindly check it. Number 4, live in the moment. अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि हम सपोज कहीं बाहर गए हुए हैं, अपने दोस्तों के साथ हैंग आउट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन सपोज यस्टरडे कुछ बुरा हुआ है हमारे साथ, तो उसी वजह से हम थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस्ड आउट रहते हैं. और या तो फिर ऐसा होता है कि हम फ्यूचर इवेंट्स के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा ही ओवरथिंक करते हैं और ये भूल जाते हैं कि प्रेजेंट लाइफ में जीना कैसा है, राइट? कुंग फू पांडा में बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट एक लाइन बोला गया है, विच इज़ yesterday is a history, tomorrow is a mystery. What we have is today. That's why it's called present. ऐसा है कि जो बीत गया है वो हम चेंज तो नहीं कर सकते, राइट? और जो आने वाला है उसके बारे में हमें पता ही नहीं है. Who knows कि कल क्या होने वाला है, राइट? So that's why try to live in the moment. Try to live in present. Number 5, worry less. ये ह्यूमन नेचर में एक चीज़ है कि वी थिंक अ लॉट, बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा ही सोच लेते हैं एंड इट ruins आवर मेंटल हेल्थ, विच इज़ रियली नॉट गुड. सो वरी लेस एंड कीप स्माइलिंग. नंबर 6, लेट इट गो. जो चीज़ें हमारे बस में नहीं हैं, जो हमारे हाथों में नहीं हैं, उसको चेंज या फिक्स मत करो. जस्ट सिंपली लेट इट गो. अगर उस चीज़ को होना है तो वो वैसे ही हो जाएगा. जस्ट लीव इट एंड जस्ट लेट इट गो. जो चीज़ें हमारे बस में नहीं होते उनको लेट गो करना ही आई थिंक एक मैच्योरिटी का साइन है. नंबर 7 एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन, बी काइंड. Kindness is free and it really makes a difference. When we show kindness, it really boosts our inner self. Number 8, sense of humor. Laugh a lot. When you can see the funny side of the life, this world is instantly a better place. Laughing is just like a great antidote of stress. Number 9, love unconditionally. When we don't expect anything back, it makes it easier to love without any fear. वो कहते हैं ना, जब कुछ पाने की आशा नहीं तो फिर खोने का डर कैसा. Just like that, love unconditionally. Okay, wait, it's not just the end. I'm gonna show you the ancient Japanese technique to make yourself calm down and peaceful. तो tada! I know कि ये फ्रंट कैमरा के लिए आप लोगों को उल्टा दिख रहा होगा. Let me explain. I have been trying this Japanese technique for a week and I'm getting really good results. So I thought कि I should share this with you. ये हमारी हाथों की जो पांचों उंगलियां हैं, ये पांचों उंगलियां 5 चीज को रिप्रेजेंट करती हैं. Let me explain you. The thumb finger is for anxiety, the forefinger is for fear, the middle finger is for anger, the ring finger is for sadness, and the pinky finger is all about self-respect. So I have written these things on my fingers so that I can show you properly, but because of this front camera, I think you guys are getting trouble. Please avoid the light, actually it's gonna rain hard. To harmonize the life energy in the body, you have to grasp each finger just like this way, just like this, and you have to hold it for 1 to 2 minutes. जब ये एक फिंगर का काम हो जाए, then you have to change and you have to do this way and you have to give 1 to 2 minutes for every finger. When you're done, you will really feel something different. Okay, just try this, okay, and then let me know in the comment section box that how are you feeling after doing this process. ओके गाइज, तो आज की वीडियो यहीं तक. आई होप यू गाइज फाइंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल. इफ इट्स रियली, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please give this video a big thumbs up and share this video a lot with your family, with your friends, and last but not the least, smile and let everyone smile.